What's up and welcome back to the channel. Those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and I got two free plays for you today. So it's going to be a quick video. Make sure you stick around clear to the end because we've got a banger of some plays today. We're going over to two different apps today. Both of them, I have the promo code 907 Fantasy over there. And one of them, they're going to hook you up with $200. The other one's going to be $100. So $300 of extra free money to go and play with today. But let's hop into what we are doing. So first one is we're going over on Sleeper Fantasy. If you guys are new to Sleeper, go ahead and use the promo code 907 Fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with $100 of completely free money to go and play with. It's a $100 deposit match. So what we're doing over there is they've discounted Sabrina Ionescu. I don't really know how to pronounce her last name, but they've discounted her down to 13.5 points for tonight's WNBA Finals game. So we're taking the over there, and then we're matching up with Brock Purdy over 253 passing yards, and then Geno Smith over 225 passing yards. So I love this play. Both quarterbacks should be throwing a lot. It's going to be a good game tonight, but we're going to turn that $10 into $41.50 tonight on Sleeper Fantasy. So that's the first free play. If you guys want all my free plays, go up here to the Winible. It's Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. You can go over there, subscribe to the free plan. That's where I'm going to hook you up with multiple free plays every single day. So make sure to go up there, Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. And you can find that down in the description below, the link to that. So go ahead and get over there, get signed up. Second free play is we're going over on BetterPicks. Now, BetterPicks is one of my favorite apps right now. It's Jake Paul's app. But they're going to give you $200 of free money. It's a $200 deposit match plus free picks until you win when you use the promo code 907 Fantasy over there. So make sure to go over there and get signed up with code 907 Fantasy and go put $10 on this play. So they've discounted Brock Purdy's longest pass to 31.5 passing yards. And then we're matching that up with Geno Smith again over 252 passing yards. So I love this play. Easy 3x here. $10 into 30. That's the second free play. So make sure to go ahead and get signed up over there. Now, if you guys want all of my plays throughout the weekend, this is one of the greatest weekends for college football. We have so many ranked teams going up against each other. It's going to be an absolute banger of a weekend. So don't miss out. You can use the code Henry over there for 70% off of the NFL and college football week pass. Normally it's $100. Right now, if you use the code Henry, it's going to get you 70% off. So go ahead and get signed up over there. You do not want to miss this weekend. It's going to be a banger of a weekend. I can almost guarantee we're going to be profiting big, going up 30, 40, 50, 100 units maybe even. So it's going to be an absolute phenomenal weekend. We have a ton of plays for this weekend. So make sure to get over there, get signed up on Winible with Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Sign up for the college football NFL week pass. Use code Henry, get 70% off. So that's all I have for you guys today. Those are the two free plays. If you guys want more free plays, go up there to the Winible. That's going to be down in the description below with all the links to Better, Sleeper, Chalkboard, Dabble. All that is going to be down there as well. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day. It's going to be a fun game tonight between the 49ers and the Seahawks. So good luck with all of your plays today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.